Thick Face, Black Heart was written by Chin-Ning Chu in 1992. Reclaim the clear instinct as a natural part of who you are. While the concept of thick face relates to how others see you, the idea of black heart is about achieving your end, something to keep your goals and achieve a result that is better overall. You have to be perceived as bad. This is the black heart of con men and the wicked, who eventually understand that most of their failures are due to their own character defects. The higher level of black heart is reached when you are not driven by your shortcomings or emotion, taking action that is driven by your true spirit. Contrary to common understanding, a goodsman's actions are not always gentle. They may be ruthless and cold. The book highlights Abraham Lincoln, who in his slow ascent to power followed the majority opinion about segregation and slavery. He knew that if he had not, he would not have gained power. However, with a solid electoral victory behind him, he made the famous Gettysburg Address proclaiming that all men are created equal. At the personal level, dharma is the duty that is yours to fulfill in your lifetime. You cannot be a soldier and refuse to fight. You cannot be a doctor and refuse to operate. If you are a writer, you cannot work in a bank. Once you commit yourself to your duty, the universe has a way of protecting you and freeing you from other worries.